Wasted shorts with this. You can't really tell, so the more the better sometimes when you're working at a bar.
I think I'm crazy. Way I've been craving. It's I've heard it quite plainly. Just give me the baby.
What's up, beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a get ready with me so I can go to work. I'm gonna tell you guys all the makeup products I do use. We finna look slay, we finna look cute, and we also finna look natural. I feel like the lighting is really dark right now. I'm using my natural sunlight light in my room. Like 1 minute it's gonna be bright, the next minute it's gonna be real low. I'm still changing my room around, so I just have a blank white wall right now, y'all. I look crazy. What am I doing? Anyways, I think I should move my lighting a little bit closer to me because this ain't it, sis. So I'm fresh out the shower, brushed my teeth, and did all that good morning stuff, even though it's afternoon. And we about to start with our brows, y'all. I'm gonna just rant a little bit as I do my makeup, y'all, and talk about makeup because everybody like to spend all this money on makeup, but me, I am not doing that, okay? I still use the dollar pencils from the beauty supply store because every time I buy like a good product, like I had the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow dip, for some reason it just be going missing every time I buy it over and over. It just go missing. So the dollar pencils never fail me. They never run away from me. So I don't want to say I got sticky fingers in the house, but for some reason either I lose them or someone steals them. Alright, you guys, so I like to give myself a unibrow when I'm doing my eyebrows because I want to line it up evenly. Well, I want to at least try, because eyebrows take so long and it is so hard to do sometimes. Like, everybody get their eyebrows microbladed nowadays in 2021. I am thinking about getting my eyebrows microbladed, but the way the pricing is set up and the way I'm cheap just don't add up, baby. I'm going to use a primer, and this is the e.l.f. primer. This is the e.l.f. pudding primer. For your makeup to last, I think this product right here works wonders. You just need a little bit, literally. Put it on your fingertips. Go like that. Put it in the areas that you sweat the most. I'm gonna add a little bit more. Not too much, just literally a little bit, y'all. You don't need that much. Put it in your T-zone area and just get that in there. And you want it to be nice and like tacky a little bit so that your foundation can sit on properly. Now I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline 24-hour Fit Me. Well, I was about to say 24-hour Fitness. I'm gonna go in with my 24-hour Fit Me foundation. This is in the color 340 Cappuccino. Obviously today I can't speak that well. Then I'm gonna take my damp beauty blender and I'm just going to lightly pat that on to everywhere. I use dry beauty blender sometime, I'm not gonna lie. Even in my videos I have used dry beauty blender, and that's only because sometimes it be doing me justice. Like a dry beauty blender be having me looking matte all day, but a damp beauty blender get the product a long way. Since I'm bartending today, I want like a very bright under eye. I want to look, you know, super pale, whatever you want to call it. I'm using my LA Pro Girl in the color Warm Honey underneath my eyes, and then I'm gonna use a brighter concealer to lighten it up. As you can see, this one is very warm, almost match my skin complexion. I'm gonna put that lighter one right on top of this one so that it can look super bright. I'm just blending this out, and I love a damp beauty blender because it just makes the product smear out so even. Like, feels good too, especially if you're hot or if you're a type of girl like me that sweats easy. You want to use a damp beauty blender so that it can keep you cool as you're doing your makeup. Y'all, I used to do my eyebrows last and now I'm getting the hang of doing it first. it's not so bad. The next thing I want to get used to doing when it comes to makeup is that I want to do my eyeshadow first, because I normally do my eyeshadow last, because I just can't win, can I? All right, we back on track. Like, what is going on with my room? Like, no ma'am. Anyways, like I was saying, I do my eyeshadow last because I don't know, it don't mess up my eyeliner. And I know some people, they be doing their eyeliner first, they hold eyeshadow first, and I just feel like when it's time to get like right here where my eyeliner be at, it be messing up. It's time to get in these corners, it just be messing up the whole eyeshadow look, and I don't rock with that. Anyways, I'm going in with my Too Faced Born This Way concealer. This is in a color Cookie. Aaliyah J did put me on to this color. She is a lot lighter than me, so that's why I mix it with the LA Pro Girl concealer. And would you look at that, this one gives off like a little gray color to my face, but once you mix it with your LA Pro Girl concealer, it works wonders, okay? And it looks flawless. So just give it like a very bright under eye type of look, and that's what we're going for tonight. So we're gonna blend that out, and y'all gonna see what I'm talking about when I mean like it gives off like a little gray. It gives off literally gray, and I feel like I need to get a new color, maybe more warm color, because this one give off like a little bit gray. I don't know, maybe I'm just bugging. I like to get really close to my eyeball if you know what I mean, because I hate when I have that dark eyeliner look under my eye. I like it to look very bright, like just bright. Now this is the reason why I don't like doing my eyebrows first. It's because it gives off this boxy look, and I like to have that fade look. Once I'm done with my face, I always end up having to go back in and fade it out. But that's why I like to do my eyebrows last, and it saves me so much time when I do it last. Now that we're done with the concealer, I like to go in with my Fenty Beauty contouring stick. This is in a color Espresso. This is very lightweight. It's super manageable. It's not too thick. I always use it in these exact areas just to define my face and make me have a really snatched face, if you know what I mean. The way to have a perfect contour face for me, of course, I like my cheekbones looking high, because I do have big cheekbones, so I want them to look extra plumped, if you get what I'm trying to say. You literally go right here from your ears to your nose. I used to go from my mouth to my ears, but no, now I like to go from my ears to my nose, because you want that face. Then I'm gonna contour my nose with the same brush, and like I said, I'm gonna go over my eyebrows one last time at the end of this makeup, because I don't like that boxy look it be giving me. You want to look natural. You don't want to look like I just stamped my eyebrows on. I don't want that look at all. I do around my jawline because I want like a snatch jaw. Like, I just want it to look like this. I really want it to look like this, and maybe some lipo or some work will do. But for the meantime, we're just gonna contour, baby. We're just gonna contour over there and make it look dark so that it can look snatched. Then I'm gonna use my favorite translucent powder, and that's the Airspun powder. You could get this from Walmart. We're going to just pat this powder onto our face. We're not gonna bake, because baking is so unnecessary. Just pat it on like so. You want to get your T-zone area, and you don't want to bake those areas. You just want to pat it on nice and tightly. You'll start feeling the powder actually sinking into your pores. You'll start feeling your face getting tight as you put this on this way. My beauty blender is damp, so it just works perfectly. Like, you feel your face getting super tight and dry as you put this powder on. This is the best powder out there. Like, I know I used to use the Laura Mercier powder before, but I like to be on a budget. This is only like $5-6. The Laura Mercier powder is about $25 to $30 if I'm not mistaken. Only place I'm really baking is my nose and my cheek area because I want it to be super contoured. Then I'm gonna go in with this contour palette that I got from Walmart. This is the medium to dark true complexion by Black Radiance, and it looks like this. We have the contour, sculpt, and highlighter in this palette, and I like to use it as an eyeshadow base. And I'm gonna use any fluffy brush and just use this very brown neutral color into my eyelids because I love a brown look on my eyes. Brown just make you look so sexy and so classy, and but at the same time you're giving bad, you know. Yeah, like this is the perfect contour because you can also use the highlighter as eyeshadow. I be doing that sometimes, but today I just want like a dark eyelid look. This dark look with these bomb lashes I'm about to wear is gonna be fire. You know what I'm gonna do next? I'm honestly gonna try to fix my eyebrows just a little bit because this boxy look ain't it. Alright, this is the best it's gonna look. We're gonna take the same palette and use that same brown color we use on our eyes and put it where I use my contour at to kind of like sculpt my face a little bit. And I'm gonna go in a U shape like so. And yeah, I love this palette, y'all. This palette is bomb. We'll get you this palette. Like honestly, I don't want to tell you what to do, but this palette is just be doing the job, okay? You could even put it underneath your eyes a little bit to take that ashy white look off. Yeah, lashes I'm about to wear today is super, super bomb. Oh, and by the way, this is the e.l.f. Lash It Out Loud mascara. This mascara is bomb, y'all. I look like I got on lashes and I really don't. I let that dry a little bit and we're gonna get into the lashes that I'm wearing today. Let me just grab them real quick. Y'all, let's get into these lashes. First of all, let's get into the boxing of this lashes. This is the lash by Pretty Winks. Her Instagram is Pretty Winks by T, and this one is, what number is this one? Look at her packaging though, like Pretty Winks by T, y'all. I usually get one that's more thick in volume, but today I'm gonna be trying these wispy ones. Like, oops. Whoa, like I literally just dropped them. But let's get into the package. The package is cute. It comes with a tweezer, which I don't really like to be using tweezers, but I see a lot of people like to use the tweezers. Oh my god, I love her lashes. I ordered them on Instagram, y'all. Y'all can go visit her Instagram page. It'll be right on the screen or in the description box below, and you could get your hands on some fire lashes. Oh, I got some glue on it. No ma'am, no. All right, I got it out quick. I'm going in with this really reddish blush. We going to the bar, okay? We want to look super pale. We want to look super cute. So the more, the better. Sometimes when you're working at a bar. Yeah, this is a restaurant bar. It's not like a bar where you wear fishnets and be twerking. You can twerk. You can look cute. You can dress however you want. But we still got to keep it professional because we are a classy girl over here. We won't be doing those ratchet stuff, okay? No judgment to the ones that do the ratchet stuff and y'all like to be like, hey, come through to the bar. Y'all be lit. Y'all be the entertainment, the highlight of the night. I ain't judging y'all. Love y'all. Lastly, we're gonna take the same palette that we use on our eyes and our face. We're gonna use the highlight area and we're going to highlight especially our nose. And our cheeks.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Back more, I don't know. Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Back more, I don't know. Why you? Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different.
Alright you guys, so this is how the hair came out. It came out very sleek. I did not apply any grease or any oil or nothing. I just flat ironed it dry. It did have some oil from like a few days ago. I've had this hair for a few months, honestly, for like 4 or 5 months now. It's still true to length. It is 26 inches, I believe, or 28, one of them, but it is very long. This is my go-to bartending hair. I love it so much. It's giving me so much Beyonce or just sexy, period. This is very easy to find. This is very trending, so it's everywhere. But I bought mine for under $200, maybe a little over 200, but it was very affordable and it's very good. Like, it takes heat well and it's super straight. It came straight. You can curl it, you can do all types of hairstyles with it, and it is a T-part. For a T-parting, this hair is fire, because T-parts are usually like hard to deal with because you don't have much lace over here. But because I don't have much lace over here, just give it a more full type of look over here. I don't know, but anyways, I always gotta wear a middle part and I love a middle part on me anyways. So yeah, let's get into our outfit and I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of that. Alright you guys, so I just got dressed. Alright you guys, so I just got dressed and this is the outfit that I am wearing. You've seen this shirt before in my try on haul, and this is how the back look of the shirt. You guys, I'm not wearing my hair down. I have to wear my hair up in a clip when I get to work, but I don't know, I'm kind of debating because I don't want the girls to be showing too much. Anyways, I'm thinking about putting more jewelry, but I'm not too sure. I do have on high-waisted shorts with this. You can't really tell. I don't know if y'all can see that, but I am on a diet and I am trying to work on my mid area, but who cares, y'all? People still gonna tip you. People are still gonna be looking at you. Don't matter your size, you can bartend anywhere. Yeah, and you guys, I love this shirt so much. You did see it in my fashion haul that I did for Ross Fancy, and if you haven't checked that out, go ahead and visit the description box below. I'll have the link listed down below for you guys. I tried this shirt on with a whole bunch of pieces from their website, so don't forget to go click on that link and go watch that video. You guys, I think I look cute. I did the makeup, the hair, and the outfit for the first time on my channel. Hope you guys did enjoy this video, and if you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed and you're watching till the end, sis, what are you waiting for? You might as well hit that subscribe button right now. Whoa, I am out of breath. Why am I out of breath, y'all? Anyways, I feel like I was talking way too fast, but yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see y'all in my next video.
All you gotta do is say yes.